Okay, here's some help with tonight's homework, and you'll be able to win a golden ticket at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Now today in class we solved two-step equations, but when we did that array puzzle we didn't do any of these type. We did them as examples before we started, but let's do one of these with division. So number 8, d divided by 2 minus 16 equals 11. Well, I have two things going on here. I'm dividing d by 2, that's one operation, and I'm also subtracting 16 from that term. I need to undo both of those operations to figure out what d equals. So, just like we did in class, the first thing we're going to do is add 16 to undo that subtraction. But I can't just add it to this side, I have to add it to both sides because my equation is like a scale. So whatever I do on one side I have to do to the other side. Minus 16 plus 16 is just 0, and 11 plus 16 is 27. So d over 2 plus 0 equals 27, which is just d over 2 equals 27. So d divided by 2 equals 27. Now I'm going to undo that division by multiplying by 2. d over 2 is a fraction, so I'm going to represent my 2 as 2 over 1 times d over 2. And then on the other side, we're going to have to multiply by 2 on this side also. You have to do the same thing on both sides of the equation. So 27 times 2. Now top times top, bottom times bottom. 2d is 2d, 1 times 2 is 2, and then on the other side 27 times 2 is 54. Now look at this fraction. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that just leaves us with d equals 54. But we're not done. We have to make sure that works. So I'm going to write my original equation and put 54 in for d and make sure that's true. d over 2 minus 16 equals 11. 54 over 2 minus 16 equals 11. I put 54 in for d because we're saying that d equals 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. So 27 minus 16 should equal 27 minus 16 should equal 11. 27 minus 16 is 11. That checks out. So d does equal 54. Okay, here's your chance to win a golden ticket. Here's what you need to do to win this golden ticket. Go to my website, and there's a new games section on the website. Click on the first game, the scales game. That's the algebraic reasoning game we've been playing in class. Click on that game and play level 1. So choose level 1, and then you have two scales. This first scale shows 2 packages plus 5 drums equals 55. Second scale shows 4 drums equals 28. So on some scratch paper or on the back of your homework if you want, I want you to write equations to represent those scales. So the first one, the easier one to write an equation for would be, I'm going to flip my homework over, do it on the back of my homework. The bottom scale is 4 drums equals 28. So 4d, 4 drums, drum plus drum plus drum plus drum is the same as 4 drums, 4d equals, the weight on the scale is 28. And then solve that equation. You know how to solve that equation. We've been doing that for a while. Then once you know what a drum equals, you write an equation for the top scale. The top scale I see 2 drums plus, 2 presents plus 5 drums equals 55. But you'll know from this first equation what a drum equals. Plug it into that equation and then solve for the other variable, the presents, to figure out what p equals. Just get one of those done on scratch paper, do your best, and be the first one to show that to me in the morning, and you'll win a golden ticket. All right, see you in the morning.